Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to clean your Costway portable air conditioner properly to keep it cooling efficiently and smelling fresh. If your AC isn't cooling well, smells bad, or collects too much dust, it's probably time for a deep clean. Now, here is the solution, step by step. Step 1. Turn off and unplug your unit. Always start by turning off your AC and unplugging it from the wall. You don't want any power running while cleaning. Also, let it sit for a few minutes so the internal parts cool down. Step 2. Clean the exterior. Use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the outside of the unit. Avoid using harsh chemicals or too much water. Just a light wipe is enough. If there's stubborn dirt, add a little mild soap to your cloth. Step 3. Remove and wash the filters. Open the back panel and take out the air filters. These usually slide out easily. Rinse them under lukewarm water until clean, then shake off the excess. Let the filters dry completely before putting them back in. No moisture at all. Step 4. Clean the air vents. Use a soft brush or a vacuum with a brush attachment to remove dust from the vents. This helps air flow freely and improves cooling performance. Step 5. Drain any collected water. If your Costway unit has a drain plug, remove it carefully and drain any collected water. Use a small tray or pan to catch the water. Once it's drained, reinstall the plug securely. Step 6. Clean the evaporator and condenser, or a deep clean. For a deeper clean, you can use a coil cleaning spray. Spray gently on the coils inside the back panel, just don't overdo it. Wipe carefully and let everything dry completely before using the unit again. Important notes. Always unplug the AC before cleaning. Clean the filters every 2 weeks during heavy use. Never spray water directly inside the air conditioner. If you notice mold or a strong odor, consider using a mild AC cleaning solution. And that's it! You've just learned how to clean your Costway portable air conditioner step by step. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more easy home maintenance tutorials.